Hello everybody, welcome back to Witt, Ford, and Crivitz. This is Danny Bronny, and I've got great news for you. We have a 2023 F-150 Lariat in stock that is a pre-driven car. This is a $58,995 price point on a $72,000 truck, and it still has less than 30,000 miles on it. Let's look real quick at why a carbonized gray 2023 Lariat would be the right car for you. This truck has got the chrome package, running boards fixed, it's got the door keypad code. The Lariat trim level looks great on the outside. This one does have a nice Rhino liner spray and bed liner, the rear sliding window. This is the 5.0 motor everybody's looking for. The B&O upgraded sound system and a two-tone leather interior surfaces. Look at this cabin. It's in great shape. If you're about to buy a new Lariat, you could save a ton of money and buy this one. Still under factory warranty. Here's your cooled seats, leather steering wheel, digital gauges, four-wheel drive modes, automatic headlamps, memory seats. This one really has it all. There's your home link for your garage door opener. Excellent condition, excellent opportunity for the first person to get to it. My name is Danny. Come see me at Witt, Ford, and Crivitz for more details.